Welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to talk about how to subtract decimals. So let's have the first example. We have 0.4 minus 0.2. Now, in subtracting decimals, as much as possible, you would like to subtract it vertically. So it will be like this. 0.4 minus 0.2. Now, in subtracting decimals, you have to make sure that the decimal point is aligned. And of course, the numbers also. If it's in the ones place, of course, the ones place should be aligned, and the tens place should be the tens place. Now, you cannot do it like this. I'll show you. You cannot do it like this. The decimal points are not aligned. That's wrong. Even if you subtract it correctly, you will not yield the correct answer. You have to be careful. If you have aligned the decimal points correctly in the numbers, you can subtract them normally. So that will be 4 minus 2. That will be 2. And copy the decimal point. Yes, and that will be 0. And that's the final answer. 0.4 minus 0.2, that will be 0.2. Let's move on to the second example. What if we have 3.7 minus 2.05? All right, so how are we going to do it? Again, you just have to align them vertically. So 3.7 minus, so 2.1, 2.052 is the ones place, and the decimal point here, 0 and 5. Remember, if there is no 0 here, just have to put it there. Now be careful, of course. If it's 37 and we have you're going to minus with 2, this is whole number. There's no decimal here. You're gonna just put a 0 here because it will enlarge the number. It will change the value. Okay. But again, 3.7 is equal to 3.70. That's okay. But 37 is not equal to 370 because of the decimal point. Okay. So any number, any zeros that you put the right side of the 0, for example, there's a 1 here. With a 0 here, that's okay because point 0.1 is still equal to 0.1000 and so on. Let's move on. So we have already aligned them. Now we can subtract them normally. 0 minus 5 cannot be, so borrow, that will be 10, and this will be 6. 10 minus 5, that will be 5. 6 minus 0, that will be 6. Um, Copy the decimal. 3 minus 2, that will be 1. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, and that's already the final answer. 1.65. Let's have the final example. 2.36 minus 10.025. You may have noticed that the subtrahend, which is 10.025, is greater than the minuend. Automatically, you will get a negative answer. So I'll put the negative here already. And now let's switch it first so it will be easy to minus. Now you just put it vertically and point. Sorry, let me just write it again. 25 minus 0.36. Now, if there's no 0 here, you can put the 0 and you can subtract it normally. 5 minus 0, that will be 5. 2 minus 6, can it be? That will be 12. 12 minus 6, that will be 6. And that will be 9, right? Remember your basic math. 9 minus 3, that will be 6. This will be 9 again. 9 minus 2, that will be 7. Copy the decimal point. And 0. And that's the answer. So for 10.025 minus 2.36, you will yield an answer of 7.665. But let's go back to the original question. We have 2.36 minus 10.025. The answer will be negative 7.665. Yes. And that's the end of the lesson on how to subtract decimals. If you have questions or you need of clarifications, please comment down. Again, this is James, your math and language instructor. Please like and subscribe and also click the bell notification so you will be updated on my future videos about math and language. I'm on my way on my 10K subscriber milestone, so I will really appreciate if you will like it and subscribe and also share my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye.